Hey guys, this is Merlin Holmes. I want to thank you so much for registering. You are officially registered for today's training call. Today we're going to be going over a lot of different stuff. I'm super excited to have you. We're going to get started in just a few minutes. There should be a timer on this page somewhere. As soon as that timer is done, there's also a link on this page. That link will go live. You'll be able to access the training webinar. Please do not go anywhere. If you need to use the restroom before the training webinar, now would be a great time to do that. You should also have an email from me with that link. You should also perhaps have a text with me from that link if you provided your phone number. Again, don't miss out on this training program. It's going to be incredible. It's absolutely free. There's no cost for you today. On this training webinar, you're going to learn exactly how I'm able to generate $14,444 each and every day in my business. This requires me to have zero selling, no selling whatsoever. I personally hate to sell. It makes me uncomfortable. I don't like it. You'll follow exactly what I'm about to teach you. You'll be able to do the same for yourself. There's no employees required. No employees. Let's just cross those out. You don't have to recruit any kind of clients. There's no clients here. We're not selling the clients. Again, no selling whatsoever. You can do this business anywhere. I'm in my home office right now talking to you. This is my big whiteboard. This whiteboard right here is responsible for over $100 million in sales, closer to $150 million from ideas that have been sketched out on this whiteboard in my home office working from home, which is exactly what you'll be able to do when you learn what I'm going to teach you today. Again, $14,444 a day. What does that look like? That looks exactly like this. This is $15,000, sorry. 50s and hundreds. $15,000, we'll round up. Average it up, average $14,444 to $15,000 a day. That's exactly what my company brings in every single day, doing exactly what I'm about to teach you. We're going to get started, again, like I said, in just a few minutes. It looks like I have my monitor here in front of me that I can see while I'm looking at you, and it looks like the registrations are going up and up. We can fit exactly 1,000 people on this training webinar today. Right now we're up to 766, 767, 68. They keep going up. So this is going to be a packed out call. There's a lot of people that want this information for obvious reasons. Please do not lose your spot. Do not go anywhere. Make sure as soon as this timer runs out that you see on the page that you access the call. Make sure that you're sitting somewhere, you have something to drink. You don't leave. You don't check Facebook. You don't do anything like that. You're going to miss out on how to learn how to earn this kind of income for yourself. One of the most important things that you're going to learn today on the training webinar here in just a moment is exactly how, as soon as the webinar is done, you'll have an opportunity to work with me. A few people will, not everyone. It won't be perfect for everybody. If it's perfect for you, I welcome you to take advantage of it. But also what you're going to be able to learn how to do is to start generating sales and earnings of over $400, starting within the next 6, 12, maybe 24 hours in the maximum. But you're going to be able to learn how to do that as soon as we're done going through the training. I'm going to walk you through every single step. You're going to watch as I build a business in front of you. You'll be able to duplicate every single thing that I do, every single thing that I've been doing for the last 14 years to generate massive amounts of money, millions upon millions, tens, hundreds of millions of dollars in sales using the program that I'm about to teach you. You will see me walk you through every single step. And when you're done, you'll know exactly how I'm able to generate in my business this amount of money every day. But more importantly, you as a beginner who have never been introduced to any of this will know how to generate $400, over $400 for yourself in the next 24 hours. Again, my name is Merlin Holmes. My company brings in this kind of money every day. I would love to teach you exactly how I do it. And in order to do that, all you have to do is join me on this live training webinar that we're going to start here in just a few minutes. Looks like we have about, it's hard to see the number there, but we're up to about 892 people registered for this webinar. Again, it's starting very soon. It's starting in a few minutes. Don't miss your spot. Don't leave. Don't go anywhere else. I want to give you this information, and I want to give it to you for free today. Everything that you're going to learn today is absolutely free. Everything that I'm going to give you today is absolutely free. Yes, there will be an opportunity for a few of you to work with me. If you choose to take that opportunity, I welcome it. But again, I want to give this information to you for free. I feel it's very valuable. I love working from home in my office with my kids running around, drawing on this board. There used to be something written over here. I don't even remember what it was, but they come in every day after they get home from school and color a little picture for me. I'd love for you to have the same opportunity of making life-changing income, working from home without the stresses of driving to work, without the stresses of having to deal with a boss, without the stresses of really not making enough money and not having control of the amount of income that you're able to generate for yourself. I want you to be able to change your life. I want you to be able to do it starting today. We're right at about 1,000 people registered right now, and we're going to get started here in a few minutes. So again, my name is Merlin Holmes. I'm incredibly excited and honored to be able to share this information with you today. So we're going to get started in just a few minutes. Don't go anywhere. If you need to take care of something quickly, go do that and come back. Get a pen and paper. Get ready. This is some serious information that we're going to go over. It's exciting. I've spent months putting this together for you. It's been working for me for over a decade, and I know it will work for you. So let's get started. Let's start earning you those $400 sales and paychecks every single day. I'm going to teach it to you for free in just a couple minutes. Let's get started.